Hidden in plain sight, could these common-looking euro coins be worth a small fortune? I'm holding 3 unassuming coins from 2004, 2005, and 2011, each with a secret that collectors are desperate to find. One has a mysterious mint mark, another is missing one entirely, and the third hides a rare error that could sell for hundreds. If you've ever handled loose change in Europe, you might have thrown away a gold mine without even knowing it. Stick around because today we're revealing which of these coins could make you rich, and how to spot them before it's too late. First up, the 2004 J. Mitmark 2 Eurocent coin is one of the most fascinating and sought-after coins in European numismatics. Minted in Finland, this coin carries a unique story that makes it highly valuable among collectors. The J. Mint mark stands for the mintmaster, Raimo Mäkinen, whose initial was used during his tenure. The year 2004 is particularly special because it marks the early years of euro coin production, making any variations or rare mintings from this period extremely desirable. What makes this coin so valuable is its rarity. While millions of 2 Eurocent coins were produced in 2004, only a limited number bear the J. Mitmark designation. Some of these coins were struck with errors, such as misalignments or double strikes, which further increase their worth. Collectors are always on the lookout for such anomalies, and the 2004 J. Mitmark coin has become a prized possession for those who specialize in euro coin errors and rare mintages. The historical context of this coin adds to its allure. In 2004, the euro was still relatively new, and minting processes were being refined. This means that any coins from this era with unique characteristics hold a special place in numismatic history. The J. Mitmark coin represents a transitional period in European currency, making it a tangible piece of financial evolution. But just how valuable is it? While standard 2004 2 Eurocent coins may only be worth face value, the J. Mitmark variant can fetch significantly higher prices. Depending on its condition and any potential errors, this coin has been known to sell for anywhere between $500 to $5,000 in online auctions and private sales. Some exceptionally rare specimens with prominent minting flaws have even reached 4-figure sums among dedicated collectors. The demand for this coin is driven by both its scarcity and the passion of euro coin enthusiasts. Collectors are willing to pay premium prices to complete their sets or own a piece of euro history. The fact that these coins are no longer in production adds to their long-term investment potential. As time goes on, their value is likely to increase, making them a smart acquisition for anyone interested in rare currency. If you happen to own a 2004 J. Mitmark 2 Eurocent coin, you could be sitting on a small fortune. The key is to verify its authenticity and condition, as these factors heavily influence its market price. Professional grading and certification can further enhance its value, ensuring you get the best possible return if you decide to sell. For those who are just discovering this coin, now is the perfect time to start searching. Checking old coin jars, inherited collections, or even purchasing from reputable dealers could lead you to this hidden treasure. The thrill of finding such a rare piece is unmatched, and the potential financial reward makes the hunt even more exciting. Imagine the possibilities. Selling this coin could fund a vacation, pay off a debt, or even serve as the start of a lucrative coin-collecting side business. The 2004 J. Mitmark 2 Eurocent coin isn't just spare change, it's a gateway to financial opportunity. With the right buyer, your coin could command an impressive sum, turning a seemingly insignificant piece of metal into a valuable asset. Don't underestimate the power of rare coins. Many people have overlooked small change treasures, only to later regret not recognizing their worth. The 2004 J. Mitmark coin is a perfect example of how something as simple as a 2-cent piece can hold extraordinary value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a casual enthusiast, this coin deserves your attention. If you're ready to cash in on this rare find, start by researching its current market trends. Online auction sites, numismatic forums, and coin appraisal services can provide insights into its latest selling prices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to negotiate the best deal. In the world of coin collecting, patience and knowledge are key. The 2004 J. Mitmark 2 € coin is a testament to how even the smallest denominations can become highly valuable under the right circumstances. Don't miss your chance to own, or profit from, this exceptional piece of European currency history. So, what are you waiting for? Check your pockets, dig through your old coins, and see if you're one of the lucky few who possess this rare gem. The next big payday could be hiding in plain sight, just waiting for you to discover it. The 2004 Mitmark 2 € coin isn't just money, it's a treasure. Next up, the 2011 Mitmark 20 € coin is quietly becoming one of Europe's most intriguing modern numismatic treasures. Minted in Finland during a fascinating transitional period for the euro, this humble coin carries hidden potential that could make it highly valuable in the coming years. What makes it special isn't just its face value, but the story behind its minting and the growing interest among collectors worldwide. Finland's mint has always been known for producing coins with exceptional quality, and the Mitmark designation indicates it was struck under the watch of mint master Raimo Mäkinen. While millions of these coins entered circulation in 2011, certain rare varieties and minting errors make some specimens far more valuable than others. The standard circulated versions might only be worth a small premium today, but uncirculated examples or those with distinctive flaws could already command impressive prices from serious collectors. The true value of this coin lies in its future potential. As we move further away from the early years of euro coinage, collectors are increasingly seeking out these transitional pieces. The 2011 issue represents an important moment when the euro was establishing itself as a stable currency, yet the minting processes still occasionally produced interesting variations. Some examples have been found with double dies, off-center strikes, or other anomalies that make them particularly desirable to error coin enthusiasts. Current market prices for this coin show an interesting range. While a typical circulated example might sell for $2,000 to $5,000, pristine, uncirculated specimens have fetched $15,000 to $30,000 at recent auctions. The real excitement comes with error coins, one notable example with a clear double strike sold for over $12,000 in a specialist auction last year. As more collectors become aware of these variations, prices are expected to climb steadily in the coming decade. What makes the 2011 Mitmark 20 coin particularly compelling is its position in euro coin history. It represents a time when the European monetary system was maturing, yet still producing coins with unique characteristics that distinguish them from later mass-produced issues. The Finnish mint's reputation for quality adds another layer of collectability, making these coins especially sought after by numismatists who specialize in European currency. For those wondering about maximum potential values, the sky could be the limit for the rarest examples. While most coins will likely settle in the $1,000 to $5,000 range, exceptional error coins or perfectly preserved specimens could easily reach $2,000 to $5,000 in the right market conditions. The key is to carefully examine any coins you might have, looking for unusual features, perfect surfaces, or any signs of minting irregularities that could indicate a valuable variety. The growing community of euro coin collectors is creating unprecedented demand for these modern rarities. Online forums and auction sites are buzzing with activity as collectors compete to complete their sets. The 2011 Mitmark issue is particularly interesting because it's still relatively affordable compared to some other rare euro coins, making it an excellent entry point for new collectors while still offering significant upside potential for investors. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins, proper preservation is crucial. Keeping it in a protective holder or capsule will maintain its condition and potentially increase its future value. For those considering selling, timing could be everything. Holding onto a high-quality example for a few more years might result in substantially higher returns as collector interest continues to grow. The story of the 2011 Mitmark 20 € coin is still being written. What began as everyday pocket change is gradually transforming into a coveted collector's item. As more people recognize its significance in the broader narrative of European numismatics, its value proposition becomes increasingly compelling. This isn't just a coin, it's a piece of financial history with the potential to become significantly more valuable in the years ahead. For collectors and investors alike, the message is clear: pay attention to these modern rarities. The 2011 Mitmark 20-cent coin represents an exciting opportunity to own a potentially valuable piece of Euro history before prices rise too high. Whether you're building a collection or looking for investment opportunities, this unassuming coin deserves serious consideration as part of your numismatic strategy. The next time you're sorting through your change, take a closer look. You might just be holding a future treasure. Next up, the 2005 no-mint mark 1 Eurocent coin is quietly emerging as one of Europe's most intriguing modern numismatic treasures, a coin that's currently flying under the radar but holds remarkable potential for collectors and investors alike. While most people overlook these small denomination coins, savvy numismatists recognize that this particular issue represents a special chapter in the history of European currency, with certain rare varieties commanding surprising premiums in today's collector market. What makes this coin genuinely fascinating is its mysterious background. The absence of a mint mark indicates it was struck at one of Europe's primary mints during a period when some countries were still refining their euro production processes. The year 2005 is particularly significant as it represents the early consolidation phase of euro coinage, when mints across Europe were standardizing their production but still occasionally creating interesting variations that would later become sought after by collectors. Current market demand for this coin is stronger than most people realize. While exact numbers are difficult to pinpoint, online auction sites and numismatic forums show consistent bidding activity, with dozens of serious collectors actively seeking high-quality examples. The coin's appeal spans both casual collectors looking to complete their Euro sets and serious numismatists hunting for rare varieties and mint errors that might be hidden among common circulation pieces. The value spectrum for this coin is surprisingly wide. A typical circulated example might only fetch $100 to $200, but pristine uncirculated specimens regularly sell for $500 to $1,000. The real excitement begins with rare varieties. Certain die combinations and striking errors have been known to command prices between $500 to $2,000 when they appear on the market. One exceptional example with a dramatic double strike error sold for over $3,000 in a specialized European coin auction last year. Historically, this coin represents an important transitional period in European monetary history. By 2005, the euro had firmly established itself as the continent's common currency, yet minting techniques were still evolving. The lack of a mint mark adds an element of mystery, making it particularly appealing to collectors who enjoy researching and identifying the subtle differences between coins produced at various European mints during this era. What truly sets the 2005 no-mint mark 1 Eurocent apart is its growing reputation among specialist collectors. Unlike some modern coins that were mass-produced without variation, this issue has been found with several interesting anomalies including off-center strikes, die cracks, and unusual planchet flaws. These characteristics make it a favorite among error coin enthusiasts who are willing to pay substantial premiums for exceptional examples. The manufacturing story behind this coin adds to its numismatic significance. Produced during a time when European mints were optimizing their processes for euro production, these coins represent the technological bridge between early experimental strikes and today's highly standardized manufacturing. Some numismatists believe certain varieties may have been produced in smaller quantities than initially recorded, creating potential rarities that are only now being recognized by the collecting community. Market trends suggest this coin's value is on an upward trajectory. As more collectors complete their basic euro sets, they're turning their attention to rare varieties and quality distinctions. The 2005 no-mint mark 1 Eurocent is perfectly positioned to benefit from this shift in collector focus. Prices for high-grade examples have increased by approximately 30% over the past 3 years, a trend that shows no signs of slowing down as European numismatics continues to grow in popularity worldwide. For those wondering about maximum potential values, the ceiling could be surprisingly high for the right specimen. While most examples will remain modestly priced, the rarest varieties in perfect condition could easily reach €500 or more in coming years as more collectors become aware of their existence. The key is to carefully examine any coins you might have, looking for those telltale signs of rarity that could indicate a truly valuable piece. The collector community's interest in this coin is particularly intense in Germany, Finland, and the Benelux countries, where euro coin collecting has become something of a national pastime. Online trading groups dedicated to euro varieties frequently feature discussions about the 2005 no-mint mark cent, with members sharing discoveries and debating the relative scarcity of different die varieties. This active community ensures a ready market for any rare examples that surface. What makes this coin such an exciting opportunity is its accessibility. Unlike some rare coins that require deep pockets to acquire, the 2005 no-mint mark 1 euro cent can still be found in circulation by sharp-eyed collectors. This combination of potential rarity and everyday discoverability creates a thrilling treasure hunt aspect that's driving growing interest in the series. You could literally have a valuable collector's item in your pocket right now without realizing it. As we look to the future, the 2005 no-mint mark 1 euro cent stands poised to become one of the most discussed modern European coins. Its combination of historical significance, mysterious origins, and collector appeal creates a powerful value proposition that's only beginning to be fully appreciated. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your collecting journey, this humble little coin deserves your attention. It might just be the unexpected gem that makes your collection stand out. The next time you receive a euro cent and change, take a closer look. You might be holding a small but potentially valuable piece of European monetary history.